guys, welcome to another episode of Vicky Teaches. Today we're going to look at factorization of quadratic expressions. A quadratic expression is in the form ax squared plus bx plus c. It is an expression with the highest power of the unknown variable is 2. The highest power of the unknown variable here is x now, so the highest power of this unknown variable is 2. So that's a quadratic expression. It's not an equation or does not equal sign there. So let's look at the steps involved. Let's take this example. X squared plus 5x plus 6. Step 1, we'll multiply the first and last term. Of course, the first term is x squared and the last term is 6. We'll multiply two of them, we have plus 6x squared. Then step 2, we find two factors of the product. When we multiply the product we got was 6x squared, right? Now there are two factors of the product that when we multiply we'll get 6, and when we add we'll get the middle term. Middle term plus 5x. Now what is factor? A factor is a number that can be divided by another number without a remainder. Now we say that the second number is a factor of the first. And what does it mean? Let me take an example now. Using 10, and we asked to find the factors of 10. 1, 2, 5, and 10 are the factors of 10. Because 10 divided by each of these numbers will give you a whole number without a remainder. I don't know if you understand. So go back to that question. We're looking for factors of plus 6x squared, and the factors of 6 are obviously 1, 2, 3, 6. And if you look properly, there are two numbers here that will give you 6 when they are multiplied and give you 5. Those same two numbers will still give you 5, and those two numbers are obviously 2 and 3, because 2 times 3 will give you 6. 2 plus 3 will give you 5. So we are right on track. Let us go and replace it. Moving on, we'll go back to the next step. We'll replace the middle term with those factors. Now we replace plus 5x with 2 and 3, and that will give us x squared plus 2x plus 3x plus 6. Now step 4, we factorize by grouping. We'll put each of them in separate groups, just like we did in the previous class. Then x divide x squared. Okay, if you look at the first bracket, x is common, right? So x divide x squared, we have x. And x divides 2x, we have 2. We have 2. And 3 divide 3x, we have x remaining, and 3 divide 6, we have 2. So x plus 2 is common. Our final answer is x plus 2 in brackets, x plus 3, which is what we used to divide. Let us go to the next example without much explanation. So first step, we multiply the first and last term, and that will give us plus 12 squared, plus 12x squared. Now the factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. Looking properly, we know that 3 and 4 would give us the middle term 7, because when added we have 7, when multiplied we have 12. But the middle term is actually minus 7x, not just 7. So how do we get that minus 7s? That means minus 3s and minus 4s. So we replace minus 7s with minus 3x and minus 4s without wasting our time. Let's continue. And that will give us 2s squared minus 3x minus 4s plus 6. But let's rearrange. Not that if we don't rearrange we cannot continue, but let's rearrange, because 2 and 4 have something in common and 3 and 6 have something in common, so it will be easier for us to solve. Even if you don't rearrange it, you can still solve the problem, but I choose to rearrange. So rearranging, we'll have 2s squared minus 4s minus 3x plus 6. So we'll continue. When 2 divides 2s squared, when 2s divides 2s squared, we have x, and when 2s divides 4s, we have 2. If you come over to the second bracket, 3 is common, and when 3 divides 3x, we have x. When minus 3 actually divides plus 6, we have minus 2. So s minus 2 is common, so we pick it. Our final answer will be s minus 2 in bracket 2x minus 3, which is what we used to divide. That's very easy. See you in my next class on Friday by 3 p.m. Bye.